Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Javier?
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
Thank you, Javier, for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
Gold soared above the $2,600 level on Friday for the first time, extending a rally boosted by bets for further US interest rate cuts and rising tensions in the Middle East. Spot gold was up 1.3%. A roaring rally in US stocks will face a gauntlet of economic data, looming political uncertainty, and a corporate earnings test in coming weeks, as investors navigate one of the most volatile periods of the year for equity markets. The S&P 500 last week hit its first closing all-time high in 2 months after the Fed unveiled a 50 basis point rate cut. Shares of FedEx slumped over 15% on Friday, the worst in 2 years, after a dismal first-quarter profit drop due to anemic economic conditions and an ongoing customer shift towards slower, cheaper deliveries. FedEx, seen as a global trade barometer, lost over $11 billion in market value.
Thank you, Javier. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the Dutch gross domestic product at 4:30 GMT. Singapore's consumer price index will be released at 5 GMT, Korea's producer price index growth at 21 GMT, Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.